Introducing the new Vivitek DU7295Z, the latest addition to the 7000 series, has an increased brightness, high color accuracy and many other features. The projector has a laser light source, horizontal and vertical lens shift, plus plenty of connectivity options like HDBaseT and HDMI 2.0. The body weighs just 23 kilos to fit in any small or medium-sized meeting room. It is also super quiet. The fans produce only 33 decibel in normal mode. The projector comes in two color options, black and white. With a contrast of 20,000 to 1, a WUXGA resolution, HDR support, it delivers sharp images, and with Rec. 709 color space, the colors are stunning. The projector has the ability to handle 4K signal with its HDMI 2.0 input. The projector can be installed at various distances with the 7 optional lenses: wide fix, standard lens, wide throw zoom, short throw, long zoom 1, long zoom 2 and semi-short throw. To summarize the new DU7295, here are the highlights. From 9000 ANSI lumens and 4K input support to Rec. 709 and HDR support. For more information, please visit vivitek.eu.